In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram verification code not received. If you're trying to receive a verification code on Instagram while trying to sign up for Instagram, or whether you're trying to reset your password, then a verification code is important to continue. You can try out a couple of fixes to solve this problem. So the first things first, make sure that your SIM card is working properly. If you see on the top, you should be able to see that both of the towers are active on mine. If yours is not showing active, this could be the issue that is causing the problem. Your SIM cards could also be turned off. To check that, head over to your settings and then tap on SIM cards and mobile networks. If yours has two SIM cards, select the SIM card that you're trying to receive the SMS and make sure that this SIM card is turned on, because if this is turned off, no SMSs or no calls will be received or sent to your phone. The next thing is try to check that if the SMS permission is turned on for messaging. Tap and hold the messaging application and tap on app info. Here on the bottom you'll see app permissions and check if SMS is toggled on. If yours is denied, then this could be the problem, so make sure you turn this on. If you use any third-party apps other than messaging to receive your SMSs, then make sure you turn on the permission on that one also. Here you can also try to offload the app of messaging. Tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. This removes any kinds of unwanted files and data that are stored on your device. You can also do the same for the Instagram application. Tap and hold on the Instagram application and tap on app info. Tap on clear data and clear cache. After you do all these steps, then you should be able to receive the verification code. If you're still not receiving the code, it's simply because that there is a problem on the system, and you can go ahead and give it a try after a few hours and you should be able to receive the code.